An independent United Nations Commission has made some stunning revelations about Israel's war in Gaza and the targeting of Palestinian children. The United Nations Commission says it found undisputable evidence about the use of torture, inhumane and degrading treatment, including use of sexual and gender-based violence against Palestinian children. The report says that Palestinian children constituted 30% of all those killed in occupied Palestinian territory by Israeli forces.
The Commission found indisputable evidence with regards to the deliberate, targeted killing of Palestinian children, including since the October 2025 ceasefire, the use of torture, inhumane and degrading treatment, including use of sexual and gender-based violence against Palestinian children, as well as targeting of critical infrastructure.
According to the United Nations report, between October 7, 2023 and October 7, 2025, over 20,000 children have been killed and over 44,000 have been injured. The United Nations report says that by targeting children, Israel was undermining the capacity of the Palestinian people to exist and to determine their future. It also notes that 97% of all Palestinian schools have been destroyed.
There has been a systematic disruption by Israel of the children's ability to learn, thereby sabotaging the intellectual and social foundations of the Palestinian society. The Commission's findings are that Israel targets children to weaken demographic vitality and deny the Palestinian people's right to self-determination.
Referring to the surge in Israeli settler violence in the occupied West Bank, the United Nations report concludes that the violence functions as a means of implementing Israeli state policies, with both the state and violent settler groups working in collaboration towards the objective of illegal territorial expansion. The report also accuses Hamas of committing grave abuses against Palestinians in Gaza.
Our report concludes that the settler violence in the West Bank functions as a means of implementing Israeli state policies, with both the state and violent settler groups working in collaboration towards the same strategic objective: unlawful territorial expansion.
However, Israel has dismissed the independent report, calling it a lie belus sham. The Israeli statement added that every child deserves protection and asserted that the report ignored the brutal tactics of Hamas. Israel's mission in Geneva rejected the findings as the Commission's second defamatory advocacy report.